The first step for us is to calculate our pattern pieces, the amount of fabric we need, and the cutting option that we are going to use. To do that, first we will be inputting our waist and finish length that we are going to be using. So for me, the waist is going to be 49 and the finish length is going to be 25 centimeter. The pink fields, that is the seam allowance and elastic width, is based on what is your personal choice. I generally use 2 centimeter elastic width and the seam allowance of 2 centimeter. Feel free to change that as you wish. The fabric width is from selvage to selvage, so I'm going to use a fabric width which is 145 centimeter. If you're going to use a shorter or a longer breadth-wise fabric, then feel free to change that, because that is how your fabric is going to be calculated. The last field, which is the optimum fabric usage. Now, for today, I'm going to select this as no, which means that more fabric will be used than is optimum. But then it's also that it's easier to sew. It doesn't have any seams. Now that I've selected no, it shows us option 3A, which looks, like this, which is a full circle, and your waistbands come here. Now if I select optimum fabric usage as yes, then you can see here it changes to 2B, which looks like this. So not a lot of length of fabric is going to be used in this case. So now we've got the fabric that is required for me to go and purchase, which is 82 centimeters. The cutting option 3A that we just saw, and it also shows me what is the waistband length and breadth, what is R1 and R2. I'll show you what is R1 and R2 when I'm going to show you how to cut the 3A. It's the same for all of the other options as well, except we're going to cut half circles in some of the other options. This basically, it's a radius 1 and radius 2. This is the length of the elastic that we need to cut, and trimming is absolutely optional. If you need something like this to go alongside, or something like this along here and down, then this is the trimming that you would need. So I've calculated the trimming for both this top half and the bottom half. It's completely optional whether you want to do only on the top or both on the top and the bottom part.